The door. Oh, see? I'm gonna need y'all. Listen. Okay, not today. Lord, do it. She's looking kind of tilt. This one looks a little bit more angrier. I don't want it close to me when I'm on it. Okay, let me just stop there. Stop talking over. It don't look crooked to me. So if it don't look crooked to me, what we gonna do? I'm so happy to announce our Faith, Love, Life, and Style Home Refresh series. Yes, a lot of you discovered my channel through Vlogmas, and I'm so grateful. Instead of doing isolated videos, how about just putting it all together for 1 week, maybe 2, starting out with a home refresh series. Yes, and what does it mean to refresh? Some organization, some decorating? Maybe. You'll have to tune in to see. And then after the home refresh series, we're gonna move on to something that is very popular. That's right, decorating. Organizing. Let's go, come on. All right, we got a bathroom to get together. Don't mind that, that's just clean clothes. Y'all saw the closet makeover. I have laundry that I hang up that I do not want to put in the dryer hanging over there. But yeah, the bathroom is filthy. You got some mirrors to clean. Floor is pretty much clean. I gotta clean the soap scum from the shower off of my off of the door, and yeah, just basically the shower all together. I want to style this shelf, this unit here. I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but just trying to figure out, like, you know, what kind of theme I want to go for. Winter, fall, winter. We're gonna figure it out piece by piece. I gotta take out the trash. I want to hang something here. I'm not sure if I want to do shelves or artwork. And then I'm thinking above the towel bar, should I do artwork here or shelves? Haven't figured it out yet. So yeah, basically clean the mirror and the surfaces, countertop surfaces, and get some decor in here. All right, let's go. This is where I'm gonna be installing shelves. There we go. Can you see the marking for the first shelf? We're gonna do that in a little bit. Just wanna give you an idea. And I have my power drill and my tools. And I'm using a leveler that I broke, actually. Broke it, but it was really long, but I still have the half that I need. It actually has 3 levels. This one for vertical, horizontal, and then the diagonal one is on the other side. So that's that. Y'all know from the kitchen light installation, me and the instructions, honey, I'm trying, but it's just, we don't need them. All right. But you go ahead and use them. You go ahead and use them when you buy your shelves. And these are the shelves here. They're actually a little bit deeper than I thought, but they're not too deep. They come out a little bit further than the towel bar, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do them like directly on top of each other or staggered. We'll see. Still trying to figure that out, but let's go. Let's see. Ooh, okay. She looking kind of tilt. She's looking kind of tilt. What we gonna do? It's not too bad. It don't look crooked to me. So if it don't look crooked to me, and this is literally in front of the toilet bowls. Oh, it looked crooked. It looked crooked. Oh, dang. It looked crooked. It looks crooked. Does it? I don't know. Yeah, what do y'all think? See what it says right there? It ain't too bad. It's like a... Oh, are you moving to the left? I think it hears me. You see it's like a little sneeze away from the line? Ain't too bad, man. No, man. Ain't too bad. Look at that. Ouch! You see? Okay, wait. Look at that. Okay, y'all see that? Look at that. It don't look bad. We keeping it. Let's go. On to the next. Okay, now we're about to hang our wall art. Here, I'm doing 2 prints. I think I'm going to start up with the height of the door frame, the casing of the door, and kind of mirror that with, not the light, but the mirror area. So not the light fixture, I don't want it that high, but I want it somewhere, the top one to be somewhere in between. So we're gonna go ahead and measure. I don't want it too close to the, it's not gonna be like on the toilet seat, so I don't want it to be close to the toilet, not seat, the toilet lid. I think I want it kind of floating, yeah. Floating, maybe like 5 inches off of the toilet. So if I were to do that one there, let's see if I could get it to stay. All right. And then the door, oh, see, I'm gonna need y'all, listen, okay, not today. I think I actually wanna put this one on the bottom because this one looks a little bit more angrier. I don't want it close to me when I'm on it. Okay, let me just stop there. Stop talking over. Okay, that's a little bit higher than a door, so maybe not. Well, it does, you know, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. What do y'all think? Can y'all see? I don't even know if I gave y'all a good angle. So I have one of them here. I'm just basically counting and measuring the notches for the mounted hardware. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this middle hole is where we are measuring. So, okay. So basically the distance from the middle to that one is, ooh, why I gotta be off though? So that's not 10. Jeez, 10 and 1. Come on, math teacher. 1, 8. Okay. Okay. Woo, ciao. Okay, we're back. I had to rearrange some things, but let's go ahead and check the level. Not so rough, girl, before the pan comes down on the toilet seat. Oh, that's gonna have to do. I say yes. What do y'all think? It's not perfect, but it's close enough. It's within the lines. I say let's go. All right, on to the second one. I should have done the highest one first. What was I thinking? All right, let's go ahead and get it done. let's clean this place up, add a few finishing touches, and get to the final review. Ooh, I need a drink. So let's go ahead and style these shelves. I just want to get this area done. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the shelves and put some towels, some fresh towels out. Put a couple like skincare products and so forth, you know, just to make it look spa-like. But I definitely need it for storage to put some extra stuff that I use all the time. So let's go ahead and get it started. You didn't have to take the time to watch this video, but you did. And for that, I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Thank y'all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!